Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and I was reading through the comments of my last snowblower video. One of the comments, I'm gonna try to address these comments, was what am I gonna do with all the ice on the driveway because I decided to clear it with the snowblower? Well, after the snowblower, I also used the broom, which is what makes Ventrac so freaking awesome. So let's take a look at all the ice on this driveway, shall we? Look at this blacktop. It is completely clear, not a bit of ice on it anywhere. Listen to this. Now, does that sound like ice to you? I don't think it does. This is absolutely amazing. This is why I use this equipment, because of its versatility, and not just its versatility, but it's the fact that it does the best job of any piece of equipment I've ever seen. Now let's take a look around. Right now it's about 2 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about minus 20 Celsius right now. So without the Ventrac equipment, this is what it would look like. We could see the road covered in snow and ice, and then you look at my driveway. That's Ventrac, right there. That's Ventrac. This is traditional plows. There's even salt down on this street. So I know somebody was gonna mention this part of the road, the street, right here. Why does this section look so nice? Well, because I went over it with the Ventrac to clear the way for my mailbox. And then of course, the snowplow comes around, knocks all this material back over to the edge that came from over there. But man, this road is pretty treacherous, and you gotta watch your speed on this thing. I didn't use any salt anywhere on my property. I do not use salt or any other substance. I do not get my machine anywhere near salt. So for those who are thinking I must have put something down to get these results, absolutely not. It is just the Ventrac snowblower and the Ventrac broom. That is it, and that is all. Same with my wife's walkway. Now, I didn't use the blower on this. I am way too careful with her precious walkway. I used the broom only. And it's the same here. No ice, all completely bare, right down to the surface. Yeah, it's awesome. If you guys are enjoying my videos, consider subscribing to my channel, hit the notifications bell, and that way, when I upload new awesome videos, you'll be notified and you won't miss it. Thanks so much for taking the time to spend with me today, and we'll see you in the next one.